most important and even more frightening. Have you ever seen a fire burning in a controlled way on the stove? This fire makes us cook food, which gives us power. But this fire, when distracted, uncontrolled way, it becomes a forest fire. Then it creates a great destruction. The energy within you, this is fire. This is also the power. This is also anger. How to use it? It is up to you. If a person uses his inner energy in the form of power, he can develop and create new ones. If someone makes his inner energy a weapon of destruction, then he can certainly do great destruction, in which the nose will also be his. Years ago, from similar fire, this beautiful earth was born. And years ago, in the same fire, all the creatures of the world were extinct. Now, would you like to create or destroy the energy within you? It is up to you.